In this question, we're given 5 numbers and we need to find out which of these are common factors. So common factors for the numbers 12 and 18. So what I'll do is look at the word factor. So let me give you an example. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Because 10 divides into 2 5 times and leaves no remainder, so the remainder is 0, 2 and 5 are both factors of 10. So any number that divides into another number and leaves no remainder is a factor. Let me give you one more example. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and the remainder is 0. And because the remainder is 0, both 3 and 2 are both factors. And the word common just means it's a factor of 12 and a factor of 18. So let me start with this. How I work out the factors is I circle this and I do 2 wings. 1, 2. And I always put the number 1 here and the number in the circle, which is 12, here. Because 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. And if you notice, 1 times 12 is 12. So you can look at it that way. Right, what I need to do now is go to the next number. I know this is even, so 2 is a factor. How many 2's are there in 12? Another way of looking at that is 12 divided by 2, or half of 12, and it's 6. So what I do is on the other side, I put the number 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So on the opposite side, I'll put the number 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I know the number 5 is not a factor of 12. And we've got 6. And once you get to halfway, you can stop. So I don't need to try the number 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 18. So circle 18 and draw 2 wings. Always put the number 1 on the left hand side and the number 18 on the right hand side. I know 18 is an even number, so 2 is a factor. So 18 divided by 2, or half of 18, is 9. So on the opposite side, I put the number 9. Now number 3, is it a factor? I know 18 is in the 3 times table, so how many 3's are there in 18? I know there's 6, so on the opposite side, I'll put the number 6. Now the number 4 is not a factor. Number 5 is not a factor, and I have the number 6. I know number 7 and number 8 are not factors, and we've got number 9. Now because 9 is half of 18, I don't need to do all the numbers in between. Now I need to ask myself which factor is in this list and this list. So let's have a look. 1 and 1. 2 and 2, 3 and 3, there's a 4 here, there's no 4 there, 6 and 6, there's a 12 here and there's no 12 there, and that's it. So 1 is the same, 2 is the same, 3 is the same, and 6 is the same. So from this list that they gave us, 2, 3 and 6 are common factors.